Hi all, good day. Welcome to the second video of the Smarted video series. Today we are going to see how to get Microsoft certificate for free. The first step is to register for that training, and for that you have to for that you have to attend the Microsoft virtual training. I will tell you, how to be a part of this virtual training. Okay, let's do it. So let's go to uh, Microsoft Virtual Training Days, link. Basically, it's microsoft.com/en-us/training days. So once you go here, you will be able to see, a lot of, topics here like Azure business applications, and then you can see Microsoft 365 security, and, much more topics. So let's consider, Azure for now, as it's the most, hot topic as of today. So if you go to Azure, you would see lots of, topics under it, like AI fundamentals would be there. You would see Azure fundamentals. You would see data fundamentals and a lot of other things. So let's, take fundamentals for now. It could be Azure fundamentals, or it can be data fundamentals, or it can be AI fundamentals as well. So if you want to be part of Azure fundamentals, it's happening on October 18th, so give it a try. If not, I would personally say that recommend that you can register for AI fundamentals, as it is one of the easiest exam to take. So click on this link. It will take you to a it will take you to a Microsoft event site where you just have to type in the basic details and then register it. Since I have already completed this, for explanation's sake, I will go for Azure fundamentals. It is happening on October 18th, and then you can see it's happening between 11 to 1:15 p.m. or 11 to 1:30 p.m. on October 19th. On both of them is happening on Eastern time, so which is perfect for us. So fill in your details. Okay, I'm providing my wife's credentials for the sake of for the benefit of her, because I have already completed all the certifications, so I will not require to do this or attend the certifications again. So when you fill in the country code, make sure that you key in for the right country code, and then you are entering the right number as well. Okay, so. And once you do that, I'll not fill in the numbers now. And type in your job role, as like if you are into business development, type as in business development, and then you can type in your company name. She has her own registration, which is called Vinayaka's Kitchen. Basically, it's a cooking channel, and you can type in. You can type in whatever name you want. Microsoft may not be verifying it, and you just have to select I'm not a robot. And once it is verified, you can check this box if you want to. Ideally it will give you a lot of benefits, and then if you click on register now. And in this Azure fundamentals training, you would see who should attend this training, and you will see what is the technical level, and after you complete this training, what all things you can do. And you can also see that part 1 what is done and part 2 what is due. I'm sorry, it's a 2-day training program. I missed that. So it starts on October 18th, and then it's also happening on October 19th. So basically it's a 2-day training program. Okay, I mentioned it as either 18th or 19th. Apologies for that, but it's like a 2-day program. And you can learn a lot of fundamentals about yourself. So once you do it, just click on register now, and the moment you register it, you would get an registration confirmation. You can see here, registration is confirmed, and you'll see we are so glad to joining us at so and so, and this is your so and so date, and you have to be a part of it. Okay, since I already registered it, basically my wife has already registered, so I'm not re-registering it there. Okay, and you can always click on the link to add to your training calendar, and basically it downloads a file, and you can execute that file to add it to your calendar. I would recommend you do this on your phone, so that you will be able to get the reminder on phone, because you are not available on the laptops all the time, right? So I would recommend you do that on the phone. Good. Next thing is, once you're done with the registration, on the event day, make sure that you go and attend the certification. And after that, then you can, I mean, once you complete the registration, you get an email from Microsoft. Again, stating that thank you for joining so and so from Microsoft Virtual Training Days, and then they'll thank you, and then they'll also give you the materials that was presented as a part of that session, and you can also see the key thing. So since you have completed this training, we are eligible for the certification at the free cost. So now you have to go and register for it. And for that, I would recommend you just click on this link. It will take you to the Microsoft exam link. You can see here A100 Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals, and you will see all the important facts like what is this exam, what are the avenues you can use to schedule your exam. Usually, I would recommend picking up or doing it with PearsonVUE. You can also select a country that you want to use, or basically you want to pay the amount the currency with. Okay, you can see what are the skills that are being prepared, and you will also get wonderful learning paths where you can just go ahead and complete all these modules. And you will be definitely able to complete the certification and pass it without any issues. Okay. And there are lots of other exam resources as well, where you can see exam replay, you can see how to replay it, and then you can do a lot of things out here. I will come to this in detail at later point of time. So for now, let's consider that we wanted to schedule this with PearsonVUE. So I just click on schedule with PearsonVUE. Since my wife doesn't have a Microsoft account created so far, so it would ask me to enter the details as per the passport. So this is another step. I will also share this as an as a additional video as well, so that it will benefit you and it's not a lengthier video like it is happening now. Okay, so yeah, let me fill out our names as it is in our passport. Okay. She is into business development. Okay, and then okay, you just have to enter your address because name is the only thing that you have to be. Okay, I will complete the address later. Okay, let me type in the city and then let me type select country, state, as well as type in the key, area code. Okay, and everything is set. You just have to agree to the terms and condition. It's totally up to you if you want to hear about these things as well. But I would leave it to you. So make sure you enter the title right. You get the first name and last name right, because name is, like you see, name should be as it appears in the government issue identification. So make sure your name matches it. Otherwise, it might have some other issues. Okay. And then title, address, and then key in your phone numbers, etc. Complete it, and then you can click on save and continue. Since I'm doing this for the first time for my wife, so basically I'm doing it on her behalf. Ideally, she has to do it, but for the sake of the video, I thought I'll do it for her. Okay, there is no area code, basically, but I can tell it. I see, you can see here, it's again asking me to confirm your identification, because once named, you can only be changed by contacting the Microsoft certification support. Basically, you have to get in touch with them, and then it is a lengthier process. And make sure you're getting the name right as it is in your passport or any other government identification proof. Got it? Good. Click on accept. Yeah, now you see the profile is getting created. I assume that it picks up my, I think it's done now. So legal name is done. and then it's again asking me to verify everything. So I just have to click on continue, and once I do it, boom, you would see that coupon is appearing there. I hope it is. Yeah, you can see it. This is the key thing. See here, Microsoft Training Day attendance. So with this, I'll first try to see if I do this. Click on claim. I'll get the certification at free of cost. I don't have to pay even a single penny. This is the most important thing. So since I attended the training using the same, I mean, basically when I say I, it's my wife. Okay, attended the training using the same, email address. I'm able to do it and claim it. So let me click on claim. I have claimed it, and I'm going to click on schedule exam. So now I would be transferred to the PearsonVUE site. Okay. And once I go there, you can see here, do you want to take your exam at yeah, that's fine. Do you want to take your exam at a test center or online at my home or office, or I have private access code? So always I prefer you to take it at your home or office, because in that way, you'll be able to do it at the comfort of your home. Okay. So click on that. You would find a lot of information, like you have to use your personal computer. Your testing space should be detached. It should be private space. Yes, government ID proof, and then what to expect. I mean, basically, you have to log into your exam 30 minutes before your actual exam. So I click on next, and then there are close to 13 odd languages, I think, which Microsoft supports. It is best for us to take it on English. So select English. Okay, yeah, you have to agree to the non-disclosure statement. So once you do that, and this comes only once in a while. If you have taken your first exam, I don't think you have to do it again and again. Okay, I click on next, and then you have to agree to all the policies. Basically, it talks about data processing, the facial recognition technique that you're going to use, licensing technique, a lot of other policies, what is exam day, what you have to do, etc., etc. And once you select everything, just click on agree. Okay. And what language you prefer to Proctor? So I mean, basically, since we are from Asia, like these are two Proctor languages we have. So select English and click on next. And yeah, my time zone is, I mean, basically the time zone is right. So I'm just clicking on, that's right. Okay, see, I want to, I mean, give her the preparation time that she would require. So let me select, or, let her take her exam on the 5th of November. Okay. And then 12-hour format is better. So click on explore more times. Yeah, see, this is a perfect slot if you have some kids, or where the kids don't usually go to sleep, and you can complete the exam in an hour. So if you click on 11, I'm sure you should be able to complete it around say 12:05. So, or other option is, because for 11 you have to check in by 10:30. So that's why I would recommend you selecting 11. If you have kids at home, if you are free bird, you don't have I mean, you don't have any dependence, or you are like rocking guy or rocking girl. So just go ahead and do it as per your wish. So like I said, it starts at 11 p.m. and then ends at 12:05. So 1 hour 5 minutes for this exam. So now I'm going to click on book this appointment, and I have to make sure that I take up this exam on this date. If I miss it, then all gone. I can't reschedule it, because it's a free exam. And then second thing is that second time I have to pay it. I don't think I can do the claim again by not getting this training again. So make sure you book it right and take the exam and do it right. Okay, let's click on book this appointment. And tada, we are able to successfully complete the exam at free of cost. And you can see here 3,696 rupees, but you have to pay 0 rupees just because I attended this Microsoft Training Day. I'm going to click on procedure checkout, and it gives me the estimated total due, and I'm clicking on next and submit the order. Okay, done. All well. Yes, that's the good thing about Microsoft virtual training days. You can see here the appointment is confirmed. and you'll also get an email. You can see I got an email notification that, like, it's confirmed. So that's how easy it is to take the Microsoft certification for free. So let my wife, complete her exam, and once she completes, I'll also, ask her to share a video about, how she's able to learn this, stuff, and how she's able to, clear the exam, because I have done that multiple times for multiple certifications. So I thought it would be better if I always, like, comes and take up this exam and complete it successfully. So good. And I know it's a long video, but I'm sure it is a benefit. I'm sure you will get benefit out of it. And in case if you have some issues or any doubts, feel free to reach out to me. My Telegram ID. You also know my YouTube channel ID. So feel free to reach out to me. Bye and have a good day. All the best for you.